So the process to install Google Chrome on Windows is quite easy and simple. So what you need to do is open up your Edge browser. Edge is a pre-installed browser on Windows. So here what you need to do is simply go and search in for Chrome. No thanks. And hit enter. Here we go. Now you can see google.com. So click on this one and wait for a while. On Edge, you'll be seeing that Google website loads slowly. So here we go. Now click on download Chrome. And here again, we will have to wait for a while. In case if your download doesn't start, click on download Chrome manually. Now you can see the Chrome setup is here. Open this up by clicking on this. Allow the installation to start. It says on your marks and wait for a while, connecting to internet. And the next step is downloading the Google Chrome software. And after that, the next step would be installation of Google Chrome. So wait for a few more seconds. Here we go, almost there. So it says download complete, waiting for install, and the installation process has begun. And it would take a few more moments. Till then, wait for a while. And the installation is complete. Now you can see it has opened up. In some of the cases, it might ask you to log into your account, so you can log in with your account to save data on your Google Chrome browser. So hope by doing so you'll be able to download and install Google Chrome on Windows. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.